Mimi naitwa Arthur Amugosia. Mimi ni Principal Administrative Secretary, Executive Office of the President. Anza kuzoea hii jina, si ndio? Kwa hivyo tuanze kuzoeana. I've been able to do solar systems to about 42 schools in the county now, from Teso North all the way to Osieko. And we are still working with the other friends to see how we can connect as many schools as possible to solar. We are going around. I know we are coming up with another program providing water within our schools. All this we are going to do through friends. We are going to get that helps better the teaching environment. You can be sure I'm one of your supporters. I want us to collaborate. I want us to work together. I walk across this country, I see what devolution has done to other counties. You can see, it's evident. But 15 years down the line, Busia, we are yet to start seeing the fruits of devolution. And that's why, you see, we've been walking around to you, talking to your mothers, fathers, your brothers. I want us to join in this journey of reclaiming the glory of the county of Busia. Busia iko wasomi ya kutosha, excessive. 2027 sisi naunda serikali ambayo inaangalia service delivery. You cannot believe today that your hospitals are totally collapsed. The health system is done. Leo ukigonjeka lazima ukimbie Siaya, Kisumu, Kakamega, Bungoma. And many of us have lost lives being taken for X-ray, being taken for, you know. It cannot. Is it? Busia inapata pesa kama Bungoma, Kakamega, kama Kisumu. Every month, the health sector is collapsed. The developed section of the education sector has not seen a single classroom complete. There are no roads being done. Na inazidi kuwa mbaya. Even your colleagues now, your fellow workers in county government, do not know what they are going to get salary. Even when they get salary, and there are deductions for cooperatives, deductions for loans, deductions for statutory bodies, they are never remitted. Bosco, they have not got salary for 2 years and 1 month. Hakuna mshahara. Kwani Busia hii uko kiasi gani? So we must think of how we are going to assist the next generation. Wewe, mtoto yako, mtoto ya mtoto yako. It's a serious matter. I want us to be very sober. I want us to address this matter. And I want us to agree that we have to work together kutengeneza serikali ambayo itakwamua kaunti ya Busia.